Okay, now that you have your robot built, let's learn how to control it. So, first go to the red robot section. Here you'll find all the blocks that you can use to control the robot. I'm going to take the move forward by 100 millimeter block, and I'm just going to click on it. And look at that, the robot moves forward 100 millimeters. Now I'm going to go to the yellow control section, and I'm going to take when spacebar key pressed block. And I'm going to put these two together, so that now when I press the spacebar, the robot moves forward 100 millimeters. Now let's just bring the robot back. So I'm going to switch that with a move back by 100 millimeters block. So when I press the spacebar, the robot moves back 100 millimeters. And let's move back one more time. So, what is a millimeter? A millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter, and it's a unit that we use to measure distance. Take a measuring tape and measure out a distance. I'm going to say 20 centimeters. Now if you see on the side of the robot, you can see there's a spot where the wheel touches the ground. That is where it's going to start moving from. So I'm going to put the ruler right here. I'll go back to my code and I will move forward. And if a millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter, so 10 millimeters to 1 centimeter, then to move forward 20 centimeters, I need to move forward 200 millimeters. Okay, so now when I press the spacebar, it should move right to the end of the measuring tape. Cool, try it yourself. Now let's take a minute to talk about turning. I'm going to take this turn clockwise block, and you'll notice this block here is to turn counterclockwise. I'm going to click on it and turn clockwise 90 degrees. You'll see the robot turns 1/4 of a full rotation. Now I'm going to turn counterclockwise 90 degrees. The robot turns counterclockwise 1/4 rotation. So what is this measurement, degrees? Can we move the robot just 1 degree? Let's try it. So I'll enter 1 degree here clockwise, and you can barely see it, but the robot did just turn. If I press it a lot of times, you'll see that the robot starts to turn. So 1 full turn is represented by 360 of these small turning measurements. So you see, if I turn 360 degrees, the robot will do 1 full turn and end up back where it started. Cool. Try it out for yourself. Okay, can we make the robot draw a square? So first I'm going to take a when green flag click block. Then I'm going to take a move forward 100 millimeters. So imagine you're the robot and you want to draw a square. So first you move forward 100 millimeters. Then you'll need to turn, in this case, 1/4 turn. So 90 degrees is exactly how many degrees there are in 1/4 of a turn. And that will give us that square edge that you find at the corner of a square. Now how many corners does a square have? Well, it has 4. So we'll have to move forward again, then turn again. Now we kind of have like an L shape. Now we want to move forward again and turn again. Now our square is almost closed. Now we'll move forward 1 more time and turn 1 more time. And now we've made all 4 corners of our square. Okay, so now when we click the green flag, the robot will draw a square. So you see it moves forward, then turns 90 degrees 4 times. And it should end up back where it started. And after it ends up back where it started, it will turn 90 degrees. An important thing to know is you need to tune your robot. So the straighter the wheels are, the better your robot will turn. See if you can make your robot draw a perfect square.